Mehtavi is coming back to court tomorrow, but our application is to get minor things sorted out. The Supreme Court requires us to file affidavits. No ruling was made in affidavits of file. Both parties. The court should give time to the applicants and then to us, and then we agree or disagree on facts. When you disagree on facts, the procedure is that you have to call evidence. The single judge decides. All these rules are not being observed. So that's why I've instructed the lawyers to file. They have to adhere to the Supreme Court rules. This is the highest court of the land, and they have to follow the new rules. So the rules have not been observed. And now that the Supreme Court says tomorrow we can all march to the Supreme Court and see how we can do it. Tomorrow we have a couple of applications that's on foot. The one is filed by a speaker to dismiss it. That will be it. And one, my lawyers have filed on the competency. It is not competent, so it goes before the Supreme Court. Those applications will be heard tomorrow, as well as the substantive, and I don't know how we will get there, which may mean that the facts in dispute, we may call the evidence, like there's some facts are in dispute, so we will call the evidence, but usually done by the single judge. But this is how we're going to get to that. We'll sort it out tomorrow. But as it is now, this is just a preliminary application. It's not a major case. The battle is on. We'll take it on. So I'm happy with the Supreme Court decision. At least the court has handed down decision. So we've got to go from there. And I'm also happy with the councils, our councils, that they presented our side, that under the judges has to make a decision. They made a decision. So we accept the decision that they have given. So that's it. Tomorrow we'll come back to court. Anything else? Any questions?
Would you raise similar grounds in the objection? Similar grounds in this case?
Yes. Addition to that, in that one, I'll get my counsel to elaborate further on our objections.
Yeah, the objection raises different grounds, so I won't comment any further on it.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.